Hello guys, welcome to Drupal Training and my name is Murali and this video is about how to install Drupal to your local host. Okay, so Drupal is a content management system. You can call as a simply CMS system, and it will be used for to create a beautiful CMS system for your website. And Drupal has many themes. Themes means like a skin, means like a layouts. We have so many free Drupal themes also available in the Google. Okay. Right, so before going to that, first we will see today how to install Drupal to your local host. Okay, Drupal is a very most powerful CMS system. Nowadays, many companies are using for Drupal development. You have so many plugins and modules inside, and we will see all these later on classes one by one. Okay, so first to download Drupal files, we have to go official website of Drupal, that is called drupal.org, and we have to go to download page. Okay, so let's go to Google and type for Drupal download, and you can see one link called www.drupal.org. That's the official website for Drupal, and click on here and you can see here download Drupal 7.31. That's the latest one, and so click here to download and just scroll down. You have some files here, 7.31 and 6.33, like that, two versions. Right side you have here tar folder or zip folder, like that. So click on that 7.31, and here you have again two links. One is zip folder and tar folder. So I have downloaded Drupal 7.3.1.zip just now, and you can see here just now I clicked on download and I saved into my downloads folder in the C drive. Right, so here you can see Drupal 7.3.1, and I have some old version as well. So it's a basically zip folder. Right click and extract all the files, and now you can see a Drupal folder like this. If you double click on the folder, you can see all these Drupal files. Okay, so basically you have to take all these files and you have to set up a project in a WAMP or XAMPP. Okay, this is first step. So go to Google and download the Drupal files and keep in some folder. Right, so next step, you should have XAMPP or WAMP server on your system. So maybe you know already XAMPP and WAMP servers. So these are all nothing but to run PHP programming. You need a MySQL database and an Apache server. Okay, so this XAMPP and WAMP server, if you install any of these, it will install both the softwares at one time. That's called Apache server and MySQL database. Okay, so you can download this from the internet, or I hope now you have already the XAMPP. Okay, so you can see some desktop shortcut desktop in my system. So double click that, it will open like this, and I have already started Apache server and MySQL. Then I will go to any browser and I will type localhost 81. Okay, so in your case, actually here I have given port number is 81. That's my settings. Okay, don't confuse here. In your case, it will be just http://localhost, and if you type it, so it will open this XAMPP file. This is startup page of a XAMPP, and click here php myadmin. So this is the php myadmin database where you can create your MySQL tables. Okay, right. So first what we have to do, we have to go to the C folder or C drive where you have your XAMPP folder. If it is a WAMP server, you should have here WAMP folder. So click on XAMPP folder and click on htdocs, and here we have to create a folder called mk Drupal. You can give any name. So here basically this mk Drupal, mk-Drupal. So here I want to set up my Drupal website in the XAMPP server. Okay, so now go to downloads, go to this Drupal copy all the files, and now go to XAMPP folder, go to htdocs and click on mk-drupal and paste. Right, so now I have copied all the files from the Drupal extracted folder to my XAMPP server, and I created a copy called mk-drupal. So this is my main front-end website. Okay, so if you don't know about WAMP or XAMPP, so please find in the internet and try to install it and you can run it. Okay, now next step, in the PHP my admin you have to create a database for the Drupal setup. So click databases and create here mk-drupal. I'm giving the same name, but you can try with different names as well, it's not a problem. So mk-drupal, this is my database name. Create, you can see left hand side mk-drupal, this is the database, right? So now database creation is done. So I will go to again localhost slash mk-drupal. Okay, so this is the startup page for initialization of a Drupal. Okay, if you can't see this page, that means whatever you extracted the Drupal files is not correct, or there might be problem in the extracting and copying the files from there to here like that. Okay, you should see this page, then only you can continue for installation of the Drupal. Right, so here you have to choose couple of options. The first option is I want to install a minimal or standard, so let's go for standard for now and save and continue. Here select the language, save and continue. Here you have to give the database name, that is mk-drupal, which I created just now, and database username, this is the database name and username is root, password is empty, and save and continue. See, it's installing all the Drupal modules or nodes, etc. It will take few minutes. Right, so here you have to configure the site name. Here I am giving mk-drupal, or you can give sitename.com, whatever. Site email address, time being I can give admin@test.com. We can change all these settings later. And site maintenance, that means admin login, so I am using username as a admin, password as admin, confirm password admin, and you can select the default country, zones, etc. Later on also you can do. So just I want to go ahead, so save and continue. Right, so you can see left hand side all the tick marks. So choose profile is done, choose language is done, verify the requirements is done, setup database is done, installing the profile is done, configuring the site is done, and it's finished. So if you see this page, Drupal installation complete, congratulations, you installed Drupal. That means you have successfully installed Drupal. Okay, so now to go to your front end website, that's called visit your new website. So this is your Drupal front end login. Okay, so make a note if you want here. This is the front end login of the website, and now you have logged in as a user, right? So if you want to log in as an admin, click that, log out. Okay, so this is front end website, localhost and mk Drupal, and login. So if you want to log in, so you have to give admin, admin, login. See, this is the Drupal dashboard. If you click on dashboard, so you can see here content and structure, appearance, people, modules, configuration, reports, help. You have so many customizations and settings here. Okay, so now this is admin area of the Drupal, where you can add the content. Suppose if I want to add content, click on add content, and here it's asking you, you want to create a basic page or you want to create an article. Okay, say if it is a basic page, click that, give the name of the page, about us, and give some text here. About us plus text comes here, so this is an editor. And just go down, provide a menu link here, about us link, and just save. Right, so basic page about us is created in the menu. So like that, later on you can create your own customized menu, drop downs, themings, modules, plugins, so many are there. Okay, so at moment this video is about just how to install a Drupal on your local host. Okay, so click on login, log out here, and you have here, click on about us. You can see here whatever I edited here, I created about us page and here text. So you can add galleries, images, etc. from that, and later on you can customize, you can remove this, you can put your logo, and you can create your customized menu, and you can remove powered by Drupal, and you can add your name or your company name, etc. Okay, so many things to do in the Drupal. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and bye for now.